Okay, I have a 9 years old patient here from Japan. He's complaining about his backbone. See, he said when accelerating and decelerating, there's a lot of vibration happening inside the car. Okay, recently they changed the coils, the plugs, and cleaned this throttle body. Relearn it. They changed also the engine mounts, transmission mounting, but nothing happened. Okay, but recently he said he had a surgery. He changed his spinal cord over here. They changed the timing belt. So I suspected that is off timing. So that's what I'm going to find out. And let's see. It's off timing. See? We're off in this and retiming it again.